Hi guys, this is Tech Mayor from Mede Unboxing. Sorry, actually with Mede Unboxing, and he came to my house and by forced me to come and show you my deck. So this is my workspace. This is where I do my stuff. Most of the stuff you guys will see and you guys will still see. Here's where it happens. So this is my chair. God knows where I got this from. I can't remember, but it has it's for medication purpose or something. It has a thing where you can pump this place and here it comes out. So it's good for the back. For those of you that have back pains after sitting down for so long, something like this is perfect for you. And it has right nice cushion and all. And well, okay, so should we start with the table? Actually, let's go with what's on the table first. These are my glasses. These are blue cut glasses for light. And actually, this is not really cleaned. So, how do I look? So yeah, this is a MacBook Pro 13-inch, 2018. Yeah, should be 2018. Yeah, should be around 2018. Yeah, 2018. It has 16 gig RAM and it's perfect for what I need it for. It does, and yeah, this is DaVinci, one of the programs I use. I also use quite a few, but yeah, this is DaVinci. So this is the ish part about the whole MacBook setup is that you have to have a lot of all of this cable, the cable thing. So USB-C and all. So I have my SSD here. It's not much, 200 and something gig, but it does the job. It's not 1 terabyte. Look at these people. They only fake stickers and people that are trying to fool us. So this is from my friend. I got this somewhere. Okay, so this goes straight to the monitor, and this is for the mouse and the keyboard. So this itself is, I'm planning to get something that's one of those Anchor multi-purpose cable management thing that just houses everything. Yeah, and this is the Logitech Pro keyboard. It has really nice lighting effects and it is really durable. Okay, it has a really nice lighting effect, very very strong, and it has the this whole mechanical sound thing. And this is the Acer, I think XQ something. It works fine. It's a 1080p display. Is it? Links will be in the description. It works fine. I like it. It's so slim. It's very very slim. It's the size. It's not even up to the size of a smartphone. It's very slim. I like it. It's white. Complements the whole thing here. So, and this is my mouse. It's a gaming mouse, really fast. Can go up to the 6,000. Sorry, no, 10,000 DPI. That's really okay. He has used it and he. I love using it to edit. It's really cool. So and these are the almighty Sony XM4s. I used to feel the Apple AirPods were like really amazing, next level noise cancellation thing. They had it going on, but this, I enjoy using this every single day, not just for editing. I wear it all the time, even in places I'm not supposed to wear earphones or these are too big for. I still wear. So I enjoy, and once I have it like this, the whole generator noise and all, everybody around me are isolated. I don't hear a thing anymore. So okay, yeah, and the last, this is my SIM ejector tool. It's mostly always here when I want to change SIM cards. It's get lost in here easily. If I have it in one of the drawers, it could go missing at any point. So I prefer to just have it here. So then also the last thing is my cell phone, which is always with me. This guy is the Note 9. It's Note 9. Not much to say about this. It's still the same Note 9 and cracked screen and all still works fine. And I'm using it to get the voice that you're hearing right now. And this is the Pixel Yeah, the Pixel Vocia Air. I don't know how to call it, how to pronounce it really well, but it's the Pixel Voica. Is it the Voca or Vocia? Whatever it is, it gets voice from here and transmits it to here. So these are the lights I use. This I got from. So yeah, these are the lights I use. This I got from where, sir? Yeah, he bought it for me. He bought it for me. He. So if you don't like this light, blame him. But the light is amazing. I have been using these and it's amazing. So these, on the other hand, this is the Godox SL60. This is the Godox SL60 with the grid on it. Everything came with it. And I think I got this dome thing separately. Then we have the aluminium thingy. And this is my wardrobe where I have all the clothes I wear, mostly black t-shirts. I love black. Yeah, so, and this is my new habit. I want to learn how to skate. This is something I keep around. Yeah, and because I love simple stuff, I choose this small, we call it school bag here. They call it backpack there. So this is my school bag. This is the bag I used to carry my laptops and the rest. So, any other thing, and this is me. This is me in the flesh. Yeah. Yeah, and that is my deck store. And let me show you who is.
So I am the person behind the camera. Let me know in the comment section which tech YouTuber in Nigeria deck setup you want to see next on the channel. Don't forget to follow Tech Mayor, subscribe below, and if you are interested in buying any of this tech on the table, links will be in the description below to purchase any of them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the video showing on your screen right now. Peace.
Phone. Sorry, hold on. Hello? You can't hear anything you say right now. I'm here. Focus. No, listen.
It's me, it's me, the owner of the channel. It's me, the owner of the channel.
Wait till I give you this thing. Who be that person?
When you're ready. Oh yeah.
What am I supposed to say? It's clear.